Hi everyone, welcome to the Insightful ED. Today I'll show you how you can create a landing page in WordPress using the Elementor. This tutorials are perfect for the beginners who are looking for creating a professional looking pages using no code. So let's get start. First we create a new page and we are creating a home page for this tutorial. So let's do that. I'll just quickly type home, and with home I'm just initially I'm saving it as a draft. So let's just edit this with Elementor. I have this design. This is a pre-made template by the pre-made template by the Elementor library. So this is a simple template. I'm just quickly create this template. Focusing on the pixel perfect design, we are just learning how you can easily, by using the drag and drop options, create a landing page. So first, so this is my first. First we have a two column section, so I'm just quickly using this and I'm just quickly create this two column section. And in the right side we have an image in the title, description and the button. So in the right side I'll just quickly drop the image element and upload. I've already uploaded these images, so it's done. Now I'll just quickly add the title. For the title I'm adding a heading, and this should be h1 in the hero section. So this is welcome. And now so we have a text area here. So I'll just quickly add the text area below the title. And then okay, now let's add the button. So currently this is a default styling. I'm not uh, currently I'm just keeping the formatting and styling for this. We are just focusing on the layout, how we can achieve this. So now our first section is ready. Now we have the second section. So for the second section I'll just create a simple one column container, and in this space between these two sections, so I'll just add a padding, top padding, which is 60, or and then we have a second heading which is in the center. And this, instead of this, you can also just control the layout from here, justify center and align item in the center, so all the item will fall into center. So next we have is the paragraph. So I'll just quickly add the paragraph. Instead of text area we can also take the paragraph. Okay, and then we have this section where we have a background image with a parallax effect and also a solid background container. So for this I'm selecting a different section, different container here, and in this container I'm adding a background image. And also you have to, I'm just giving a min height to this, because in the styling we select this position top center, also the attachment scroll and repeat, no repeat, and this should be covered. Okay, so now inside this we need to select another container for the solid block, for a content block. So currently it is going up, but we want this container to be settled at the bottom. So select the main container, and for this justify content at the end. Now container is at the end, and now I just give this container a background. You need to make this 0 so that it will stick. There will be no gap between these containers. 60 from all. Now add the heading in the center. For this we just need to change center, and title should be in white color. Now next we have a text area, which is also a long paragraph. You can either take a text area or a paragraph. I'm just taking a text area. White. Okay, now this section is ready, and we also, this should be 100, I guess. Yes, I think this is okay. So in this we have another section similar to this, but I'm not creating the another section. So you can just, you can just duplicate it. Top maybe 100. Okay, the gap between these sections 60, and I'm just not changing the text. I'm only changing the image for this section. And now last we have, last I'm creating this section. This is also a 2-column section. So on the left we have image, and on the right similar we have a title, paragraph, title. This is will be h2. You can make this as big as this. And a text area. Typography, you can just change the size. If I still, I think it should be 54 something. Okay, now take the text area below this. I'm copying the text, and next we have a button. So this is a button. You can also make this vertically center. Just change the gap between these two. This is 40 and 40. So this is our basic home page I have created. You can just hide this a subtitle where the home is written from the theme. I'm not explaining this here, so I'm just, so now hit publish. Now your home page is ready. So that's how you can create a landing page in WordPress using the Elementor. So in the next video, we'll see how you can set up this home page as your front static page for your website. Thank you guys. We'll meet in next video.